Check the turbidity reading on the tablet now.
It's holding steady at 0.05.
The high-protein durum wheat exits the washing phase, entering the centrifugal drying unit. The kernels are rapidly spun.
Here. This is the critical tempering stage. A precisely metered amount of water toughens the bran layer.
These massive bins hold the conditioned wheat for several hours, a controlled waiting period essential for strengthening the bran.
The activation signals the transition from preparation to process A, primary product manufacturing of Semolina Pasta Grade S-4.
The newly reduced, intensely yellow Semolina Pasta Grade S-4 flows rapidly into a fluidized.
Building a stable, uniform stack, the robot demonstrates the efficiency of modern automation in this heavy lifting environment.
All right, Grade S-4 confirmed. The intense yellow color requirement is met. We're ready for extrusion.
Here in the secondary factory zone, the dark brown bran and germ material arrives via this dedicated pneumatic pipeline, signaling the strict commencement of Process B.
The dark powder is mixed continuously in a large horizontal mixer, while high-pressure steam.
The volumetric pump adds a natural binder bran mixture as it churns.
The wheat bran pellets flow across a vibrating screen, removing fine powder and fragments. The clean pellets continue.
The uniform, dark brown pellets travel along a heavy-duty belt conveyor at a high speed.
Confirms the count and destination of the wheat bran pellets.
Okay, accepted.
Roger that. Control. Wheat bran delivery confirmed at Bay 3.
Initiating unload sequence.
The automated auger ensures precise distribution of the feed, highlighting the successful application of our high-fiber wheat bran pellets.
Decisions. The scale of the ship and the port
emphasizes the global market for the mill's secondary product, confirming the fine.
Here's the wheat bran delivery. If you could sign here.
Got it. Looks good. Coarse, the balanced fiber and high protein significantly improve their digestive health, as shown here.
Through precise manufacturing in Process B, the high-fiber byproduct is successfully transformed into a high-value, stable commodity.